tasty and flavorful. This stir-fried bee hoon with prawns is perfect for a family meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 130 grams of bee hoon or rice vermicelli noodles. I use the dry ones, which I soak for 15 to 20 minutes or until soft before draining the water. 180 grams of bean sprout, 200 grams of choy sum, washed and cut with the stem and leaves separated. 220 grams of prawns, washed and deveined. 2 red chili, cut to strip. 30 grams of crispy fried anchovy. 3 tablespoons of garlic oil. 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. Half teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of pepper. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 75 ml of water. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, marinate the prawns with half of the salt. Rub to make sure that the salt is spread evenly. Turn the prawns around. Sprinkle another half of salt over them and rub to marinate. Set aside. Let's make the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil into a mixing bowl, followed by the sesame oil, pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and thick soy sauce. Mix to combine. Then pour the mixed sauce in a large basin with the softened bee hoon. Gently toss the bee hoon to evenly spread the sauce all over. This helps the bee hoon to soak the sauce and absorb its flavor. Okay, the bee hoon has an even color now. Set it aside. Let's fry the bee hoon. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil to a pan over medium heat and wait for the oil to get hot. When it's slightly warm, spread the prawn around the pan for them to cook evenly. After 45 seconds, flip the prawns. See, they have turned orange on the other side. Cook them for another 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, give the prawns a little toss. Alright, they are perfectly cooked. Remove them from the pan and set aside. With the prawn residue left in the pan, add the choy sum stem. Stir for about 2 minutes or until partially soft and well mixed with the prawns flavor. We are pre-cooking the stem as they take a longer time to cook than the leaves. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add the rest of garlic oil into the frying pan. Add in bee hoon with all the mixed sauce and chilies. Give it a little stir. Add 75 ml of water into the pan. With a pair of tongs, spread the bee hoon around the pan to evenly cover the bottom surface. After 1 minute, the bee hoon is about 30% cooked. Flip the bee hoon to cook the top part. Gently spread them around the pan as well. Add in the choy sum leaves and choy sum stem. With a pair of tongs, gently mix the bee hoon and choy sum together for about 2.5 minutes or until well combined. After 2 minutes, the bee hoons and choy sum are soft and cooked. Let's check them. If they break easily when pressed, like this, it is cooked. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred. Add all the bean sprout, 1/3 of crispy fried anchovy, and all the prawns and their juices. Half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir to mix all the ingredients until well combined. The bean sprout will be cooked with the residual heat from the bee hoon and the pan. Give it a taste. It's delicious. Alright, it is done. Switch off the heat. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with a teaspoon of crispy fried garlic and a sprinkle of crispy fried anchovy. Now our simple stir-fried bee hoon with prawns is ready to be served. Let's eat. Very delicious. The prawns are sweet and cooked perfectly. The bee hoon has so much flavor, while the crispy fried anchovy and garlic gives a nutty taste to the dish. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!